Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Eat. Today we are making hummus. Let's get started. We are taking 2 cups of white chickpeas. Add some water to soak them and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and cover it to leave in the fridge overnight. Soaking chickpeas overnight in soda water allows them to plump up and becomes softer. It will give hummus a fluffy and whipped texture. When you take it out in the morning, you can see that some froth has been formed. Just remove this froth and strain the water. Transfer these chickpeas into the pressure cooker and add almost 4 cups of water to cook them for half an hour. You can see the chickpeas are softer and fully cooked. Transfer chickpeas to a bowl and freeze the remaining water. This frozen water will help us to blend the chickpeas and enhance the texture of hummus. Once the chickpeas are cold and the water is like ice cold, add it into the blender along with 2 cups of boiled chickpeas, 1 cup of tahini sauce, which we have already showed you in our previous video that how to make it. That was a step-by-step process. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Blend it to make a paste. Now add 4 cloves of garlic and juice of 1 big lemon, and fresh juice will do the trick. Blend it well. The final texture should look like this: thick, fluffy, creamy. The delicious hummus is ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified for our next video. Thank you.